Hey y'all know already know what it is. Unboxing. From China. Before I go into work. Bam. This was, I want to say 33 online. Got some paper in here. See that? Supreme, made in China. This is Fall Winter 17. The Cordura right there. I know I got a glare, but shoot. Right there. Got the tags, Supreme Cordura. So yeah, 33 bucks. If I'm not mistaken. Let's see how the strap is. Pretty thin strap, but you know I like them thin because the thick ones be on your neck, messing with my neck. But yo, this is dope, super dope. If you want the link, let me know. Get them super cheap. Bags, Supreme shoulder bag. Can put way more than the Spring Summer 16, but yo, hit me up if y'all interested. Alright. Y'all like it? You don't? Let me know. God bless.